मैं इतने सारे नौजवान बिश्कीक में देखकर किर्गिस्तान हुकूमत को इमरान खान की तरफ से और मेरा आपसे वादा है, इमरान खान की हुकूमत बनेगी और बनेगी। Thankful to Kyrgyzstan government, the diplomats and the foreigners, and assure you that all this youth is thankful to you. And I believe that the Kyrgyzstan government support for this medical facilities, our nation is your thankful. And inshallah, and they will be the doctor of the